Chime is used by over 12 million people in the US, mainly because it offers a no-fee mobile banking setup with early direct deposit and automatic savings tools. By the end, you'll know how Current and Chime actually differ in day-to-day use, and which one fits your money habits better. Start with the core difference. Chime is built around simplicity and basic banking. Current is built around more control and spending insights. That difference shows up immediately when you open both apps. Now, break down the accounts. Chime gives you a checking account experience with a debit card, plus automatic savings features that move small amounts into savings based on activity. That means it's focused on removing friction from saving and spending without much setup. Current also gives you a debit card and checking style account, but it focuses more on tracking spending in real time. That means you can see where your money goes in categories like food, shopping, and subscriptions, without manually sorting transactions. Now talk about early paycheck access. Both apps support early direct deposit in different ways, depending on employer setup. That means users can sometimes access funds before the standard payday, but timing depends on how payroll is processed. Now, cover fees and access style. Both apps are designed to avoid traditional monthly banking fees, but they still have optional paid features depending on the plan and services you use. That means the experience can feel different depending on whether you stay on the free tier or upgrade features. Now, explain the real decision point. If you want something simple that mainly handles spending, saving automatically, and staying out of your way, Chime is usually the more straightforward option. If you want more visibility into your spending habits and more control over budgeting insights, Current tends to feel more detailed. Now make the comparison practical. Think about your main problem. If your issue is, I don't save money consistently, Chime's automation style fits better. If your issue is, I don't know where my money goes, Current gives more visibility. Quick summary. Chime focuses on simple banking with automatic saving tools. Current focuses on spending insights and budgeting visibility. Both support mobile-first banking with early deposit options, depending on eligibility. One practical next step. Open both apps' official pages and compare their feature lists against your biggest money problem, not just their bonus features. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns that skip marketing noise and focus on real differences.